Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you currently in the free trial of 1Password. Time is running out and you want to add your payment details. Now, once you're in home or on the home page of 1Password, you will see the notification showing that you should add your payment details. You can click on this and add your payment details from here, or you can click on billing on the left side and you will be able to see where you need to subscribe. And once you choose that option for whatever, you can choose to add your payment details. And so you can choose to pay annually or you can choose to pay monthly. And so once you choose that option, you will now have the option to add your payment details here by clicking on this and enter your credit card details. As you can see, you can fill in the details right here, enter your country and hit subscribe, and you'll be able to subscribe to that new plan, or you can downgrade or whichever option that you choose. Whether you want to use a current subscription that's on the free trial, or you want to downgrade to a cheaper one or upgrade to even a higher one, you can choose that as well. And so you can see, for example, here it shows the current plan that I have, or I can downgrade and choose this one by clicking on switch, which I will now need to still enter the credit card details. And so that's how you can add your payment method or payment details in 1Password. So that's it, guys.